Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today in this video I'm simply going to show you how you could easily recover the deleted messages on WhatsApp. Now suppose if someone has sent you a message and it has been deleted by them and you want to know what they have sent, then there is a quick and easy playwork that you could do in order to find that deleted message. So within the WhatsApp app there is no such a way that can help you to recover that particular message, because WhatsApp doesn't allow this to you. There are some other workarounds that you could do which I'm gonna show you in this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. The very first thing you could do is to simply head towards your phone settings, scroll down and head towards like notifications. In the notifications, search for the app settings. In the app settings, you have to simply find for WhatsApp, and here you have to make sure that the notifications of WhatsApp are enabled, because if the notifications are not enabled then you will not be able to see or recover any of the message. Now once the notification are enabled, you have to go back, and here you'll see that there is another option named as notification history. So simply tap on that. From here, like, scroll down a little bit, search for WhatsApp, and if you'll tap on that, there you'll see all of the previous notifications that you have received on WhatsApp, and it can also help you to find the particular message which was being deleted. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.